Hello children, welcome to our Eurokids Puri online classroom. I am your Shilpi Miss. So children, let's start our today's activity. And today we are going to learn about noise pollution and its causes. So children, what is a noise pollution? When a loud sound disturbs us or when a loud sound occurs in our environment and it disturbs us is called noise pollution. So children, different pitch of the sound that can be heard are high, low, quiet and loud. And children, there are some sounds that are pleasant and you like hearing them. Okay, but there are some sounds that disturbs us. They are very loud and they can damage our ears and cause illness in humans as well as in plants and animals. So children, such loud sounds are called noise pollution. So children, when we play a very soothing music, we like that sound. But when there is a very loud sound, this sound disturbs us, and children, these types of sound make us ill, make us unhealthy, and these types of loud sound also damages our ears also and make us permanently deaf. So children, noise pollution can be very dangerous for us. And children, do you know noise pollution causes stress also. So children, these sounds cause noise pollution. These loud sounds cause noise pollution. And noise is a unwanted sound and noise will affect different people in different way. So children, for one person, the DJ band or the rocking music may be a pleasant music. But for some other person, that music can be very disturbing. So children, the noise pollution can vary from person to person. And children, near schools and hospitals, there are signage with no horn written on them because the patient and students need silence and need calm. So children, in front of school and in front of hospital, there are signage of no horn. Why? Because the patient in the hospital and children in the school needs calm. So children, there are the causes of noise pollution inside the home. So what are the causes of noise pollution inside our home? And that is your mixer grinder, television, vacuum cleaner, hair dryer, ringing telephone and alarm clock. These gadgets are the causes of noise pollution inside our home. And children, there are some causes of noise pollution outside our home. So what are they? They are construction site, drilling, hammering, horns of vehicles and airplane takeoff. And children, there are running trains, fireworks, crowd of people. These are the causes of noise pollution outside the home. So children, when you burn crackers with a loud sound, it creates noise pollution and it disturbs all the humans. Okay children, and when the plane takes off, this taking off also creates a lot of sound and it also causes noise pollution. So children, these are some causes of noise pollution. But children, there are some sounds that are very soothing and that are very good for listening. So children, what are that sound? That sounds are wind chime music, water flowing, waves and birds chirping. So children, when birds are chirping and the sound of waves, when we sit near the ocean or near the sea, the sound of waves, these sounds are very pleasing or very pleasant. So children, when you watch TV, what you have to do? You have to keep the volume in very low level. Do not watch TV in very high volume because it can disturb all of the family members. So children, today we have learned the noise pollution. And children, when you shout at your school, shout in your school and shout in your home, this also creates noise pollution. So do not shout at your home, shout in your home and shout in your school. Okay children, so avoid the noise pollution. Okay children, so now we will learn the PL word. So children, let us look the PL word. So this is your first PL word. PLAN, plan. PLAN, plan. So children, look, there is a plan made for, okay, this is a to-do list. There is a plan made that what will I do today. So PLAN, plan. And our next PL word is PLAY, play. Look, these children are playing in the ground. PLAY, play. And our next PL word is PLUG, plug. PLUG, plug. So children, this is the plug. You will find this in your television, in your all electronic gadget. And now we will look our next PL word, PLUM, plum. So children, this is a fruit and this is a PL word, PLUM, plum. And children, our next PL word is PLUS, plus. PLUS, plus. So children, this is the symbol of plus. And now children, we are going to move towards our next activity. And in our next activity, we are going to learn the number name 25 and 26. So children, first we will learn the number name 25. 2, 5, 25. TWENTY, 20. FIVE, 5, 25. And now children, we will look the number name 26. 2, 6, 26. TWENTY, 20. SIX, 6, 26. So children, these are the number names of 25 and 26. And what you have to do? You have to practice the number names of 25 and 26. And you have to learn the spelling also. And you have to make the writing practice of these number names. So children, now it's time to end our session. Bye bye children.